everybody. We are headed to Brews and Boost. It's a little car meet here in town, and they're doing a little toy drive for the kids. So we're gonna go get them some Hot Wheels. One of my favorite toys growing up, so I figured go grab some of those and give them to the kids this holiday season. So we're just gonna go have fun. My dad's trailing in the Cadillac. Didn't quite get the Project 200 done. It's at the interior shop right now. So once otherwise that one would be here too today. But we're just gonna go have a good day. Supposed to have some donuts and coffee there, so I'm excited for that. And go see what kind of Hot Wheels Walmart has. Got a couple. Got some stuff for the toy drive and canned food drive. Alright, so we got a bunch of toys for the kids, some canned foods, and we're heading down to the meet now. It's a pretty nice day out, really. It's hard to be a little windy, but we'll take it. A lot better than snow on the ground. Getting ready to pull in. It's just up here at a local car dealership. About 50 Hot Wheels, some canned goods, and we made it to the meet. A lot of cool cars here. Gonna walk around, check them out, see what you guys think. Might do just a little bit of some music and checking out the cars for you guys. Alright guys, we're out of here. Fun little meet, dropped off some toys, had a good little day. Now it's time to go get some food. Car's back in the garage, successful trip, got to deliver some toys, had a good day doing it. So we'll see everybody next time. I appreciate everybody for watching. Man, that sun is in my eyes. So I appreciate everyone so much for watching. If you would please like, subscribe, and share below, and we'll see you guys next time.